Hello everyone. I'm excited to introduce my final year project, the Diabetes Risk Prediction System. This web application uses Python, Flask, and machine learning to predict the risk of diabetes in real time. Diabetes is a widespread health concern, and early detection is crucial for prevention. Traditional methods often require lab visits and tests, which can be time-consuming. Our system allows users to input essential health parameters like age, gender, BMI, hypertension, heart disease history, HbA1c levels, glucose levels, and smoking habits. Based on these inputs, a trained machine learning model predicts the likelihood of developing diabetes and provides personalized recommendations for healthier lifestyle choices. The heart of the system is a machine learning model trained on over 100,000 anonymized health records. Using scikit-learn, the model learns patterns between health factors and diabetes risk. After training, the model is saved using joblib and integrated into the Flask web application for real-time predictions. The user-friendly interface, built with Bootstrap 5, ensures smooth navigation on both desktop and mobile devices. Interactive charts and graphs powered by Chart.js help users visualize how each health factor contributes to their overall risk. This visual approach makes complex medical data understandable and actionable, allowing users to focus on improving areas that most influence their health. In addition to risk prediction, the system emphasizes user engagement and understanding. By displaying visual insights using Chart.js, users can clearly see which factors, such as BMI, glucose levels, or hypertension, have the highest impact on their diabetes risk. The real-time feedback allows users to make informed decisions about lifestyle changes and health monitoring. The project also includes comprehensive documentation and setup instructions, making it easy for others to replicate or extend. This ensures that students, researchers, or developers can learn from the system, deploy it for educational purposes, or adapt it for real-world clinical applications, enhancing both learning and practical utility. The application also provides personalized, AI-driven recommendations based on the user's inputs and risk score. These suggestions include dietary advice, lifestyle changes, and tips for monitoring health regularly. The system generates a comprehensive report summarizing the results, visualizations, and guidance, which can be saved or shared with healthcare professionals. Security and privacy are essential, so all data is carefully handled using Flask routes and secure forms. While the current implementation uses SQLite, it can be scaled to MySQL for larger deployments. This project demonstrates the integration of full-stack web development, data analysis, and machine learning to solve a real-world healthcare problem. From a learning perspective, this project covers end-to-end development, combining back-end programming, machine learning model integration, front-end design, and data visualization. Users can easily input their health information, understand their risk through interactive charts, and receive actionable recommendations. The glassmorphism UI and responsive design create a modern, professional look while ensuring ease of use. The project is ideal for students and professionals looking to build a portfolio-ready AI/ML web application, as it demonstrates real-world application of Python, Flask, scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy, HTML5, CSS3, and Bootstrap 5. It's not just a project. It's a practical tool for preventive healthcare. In conclusion, the Diabetes Risk Prediction System combines AI, machine learning, and web development to deliver real-time diabetes risk predictions. It's user-friendly, interactive, and practical, providing personalized recommendations and actionable insights. This project demonstrates how technology can make preventive healthcare accessible, engaging, and effective for everyone.